Hello everyone, my name is Nigdo Talukdar and it is my first English video, and now I am at my home and I am with my elder brother Porosh Sarkar. You know him for his English video, and in this video I am going to ask some question to my elder brother. And first, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastically well. What about you?
I am fine. And what class do you read in?
Okay, so now I am a student of intermediate second year.
And what is your hobby?
My hobby. I have so many hobbies. Like in my free time, I love to play cricket with my friends, and of course, I also love to learn English. And besides this, I also love to reading books, watching television, and of course, watching cricket match on television. Yeah, I have so many hobbies. And what about you?
And my hobby is also cricket.
Okay, you also love to
Yeah.
watch cricket, playing cricket?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
And what is your college name?
Okay, so the name of my college is Naranganj University College, which is located at the bank of River Shitolokha.
And who is your favorite teacher?
Okay, my favorite teacher, well, Sabbir sir.
Sabbir.
In my coaching, he teaches us mathematics. So he's one of my favorite teacher.
In cricket, who is your favorite cricketer?
Okay, in cricket, my favorite cricketer is Mushfiqur Rahim. He's a very good batsman. I mean, wicketkeeper batsman in Bangladesh, and he's like a legend for our country. He has been performing well from his early days in cricket, early days for Bangladesh, and now he is also doing well.
Tell me something about your free time.
Okay, my free time. Okay, so as I mentioned before, in my free time, I love to watch. I love to play cricket with my friends, and when I stay at home in my free time, I try to learn English. I try to spend my time for learning English. Of course, beside this, I also try to watch some English songs, English podcasts, or sometimes I try to watch some cartoons with you. Of course.
Do you love to learn English?
Yes, of course, I love learning English because I'm very passionate about this. I started my journey some days ago, and in these few days, by making English video, I achieved so many good things. And I hope if I continue my journey in future, I will be able to achieve some more good things. And of course, I know this is okay. I want to tell you something interesting, that this is his first video, but the way he is talking, it's really remarkable, right? Yeah, you should support him because it's his first video, and I'm really feeling fantastic for him, and I'm really feeling proud for him because he's just reading class 5. And I always try to inspire him for making video, but he doesn't like to make English video. But today I forced him that you should make a video because the value of English is really high in our life, because he is reading class 5. That's why he is not recognized the value of learning English now, but in the long run he will. So that is the thing. So you are also learning English nowadays, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you also love learning English?
Yeah, I love learning English.
Okay, that's fantastic. And now we are at home and we are trying to record a video. Yes. Okay, so how do you feel you are making English video for the first time?
I feel
Nervous.
good. Yeah.
You feel
nervous.
also nervous. Okay, it's not a problem. When I started my journey, that time when I used to make video, I also faced so many problems. Like you, I couldn't speak properly. But day by day, after making so many videos, then I get my fluency. And nowadays, I can make video anywhere, any situation. Although still I make some mistakes, but I think it doesn't matter for me.
And what is your favorite actor in Bangladesh?
My favorite actor is Siam Ahmed in Bangladesh. And what about you? Do you have any favorite actor?
No, I have no particular favorite actor.
I know you love to watch cartoons. So which cartoon do you like most?
I like most Shin-chan.
Shin-chan. It's an Indian cartoon, right?
It's a Japanese cartoon.
Oh, Japanese cartoon. I don't have enough knowledge about cartoons, so sorry for
Okay.
it. It's my bad.
And what is your dream?
Okay, dream. Well, oh my god, it's a Big question, $1 million question. Like thing. Look, I don't have any dream now, but as you know, in the long run, I mean, I want to see myself in a position that where if I see myself, I will be happy. So yeah, of course, I want to do something better for my family, and that is my dream. And what about you?
I have no particular dream. I want to a pilot, engineer, and also have another dream.
Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, so the video is getting more longer. We should finish it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for watching. This is his first video. I hope you guys will support him a lot. If you support him, he will continue his journey, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so good night to
All
both
the best.
all of you. Have a good night.